Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Learn with Virali. I'm Virali, your guide on this coding adventure. In our episode 4 of Introduction to CSS series with Learn with Virali, we'll understand how to add CSS in your HTML web pages. So let's get started. How to add CSS in your web pages. When a browser reads a style sheet, it will format the HTML document according to the information in the style sheet. Let us now see what are different types of CSS files that you can add to your HTML document. Now, styling can be added in three different ways, as in inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. How to define inline CSS? An inline style may be used to apply a unique style for a single element. To use inline styles, add the style attribute to the relevant element. The style attribute can contain any CSS property. On the right hand side, we have an example code which allows us to understand that an h1 tag inside a body tag is being styled as color blue specified by the style attribute here. Similarly, a p tag, which is a paragraph tag, is going to be styled with the color red. So this is how we can specify unique styling for different tags in line in our HTML document. Talking about internal CSS, an internal CSS or a style sheet may be used if one single HTML page has a unique style. An internal style is defined inside the style element in the head section. On the right hand side of the screen, we can see an example code which is containing a specified style tag inside the head tag, understanding that the background color of the entire document has to be kept as blue. So inside the body, whatever elements are going to be placed, all of them is going to be having a background color of yellow, as in the background of the entire document. Talking about the most fascinating yet the most used type of CSS, which is an external CSS. So within an external style sheet, you can change the look of an entire website by changing just one file. That's how it saves a lot of time, and that's why it is used by most of the web developments organizations out there. So each HTML page must include a reference to the external style sheet file inside the link element used in the head section. As you can see on the right hand side, as an highlighted name of the file specified beside the href keyword allows us to understand that there is a separate file for the styling document or for referring back to the style of each of the elements specified in the body tag, making us understand that mystyle.css is going to help us to change or look for any kind of stylings that has been applied so far to different elements inside our body tag. If this video was insightful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as it helps me to create more such insightful videos. Until then, happy coding.